Okay, dahil hindi ako makatulog, I'm so excited sa darating na, basta yun, mamaya nyo makakita niya, mamaya nyo malalaman. Anyways, responding to this comment, Lods pa-review naman ng Angel Share and New York Knights ng Enzo Sen. Actually, he's been commenting for the past 3 days. Anyways, ito na tayo, let's go. Enough talk, let's kick things off with the bond number 9, New York Knights. Oh, why? Anyways, spray na natin siya. Layo pa lang nun ah. I can already smell a floral scent. I think bond number 9 is a sweet. Mm-hmm. It is so tamis gago. Napaka-floral niya. Floral, sweet. Ganun. Meron ba siyang coffee do? May naamoy akong coffee note. I'm not sure if coffee ba yun. So yun, it's a sweet floral scent. Oh. Wow. Hindi ko siya, sinasabi sa akin ni Enzo Scent na amoy how daw siya. I don't smell the how. It's more like a floral and caramel scent. Yeah, caramel. May pagka-coffee. For me, may coffee siya. As a coffee lover, yes, I love it. Sunod na agad natin si Angel Share. Let's go. So, I'm expecting a sweet, ang tawag dito? Sweet, boozy type of scent. Wow. Oh, shit. Oh. Okay. So, tama yung inaabangan ko na matamis na MP. Yun yung description ko dito. It smells like Fire Desire by Emir. I forgot the house name. Basta, Emir, Fire Desire. It reminds me of that. Alam niyo, wait lang. Kunin ko siya. So, eto siya guys. It is actually a clone daw ng Angel Share by Killian. So, spray natin siya. And promise, magkaamoy talaga sila. I mean, yeah, this is boozier. But this is much sweeter. Yeah, pero, ganun. Na-overwhelm ba ako dito or parang nawala yung amoy niya? Wait lang. No, ito pala. Na-overwhelm lang ako kasi this is much boozier. Ang lakas ng pagiging, ano ba, para siyang alak. Kumbaga, it's a very licorice or brandy. Kumbaga, if you're into drinking, MP Alfonso, something like that, yes. It smells like this na merong honey. Also, idagdag ko lang pala, it's Valentino Born in Roma. One of my favorite fresh scent. Valentino Born in Roma. Anyways, let's test it out dito. No, hindi. Ito nga pala si Valentino Born in Roma ko. Let's compare it. Para lang, side by side. Kasi I remember Valentino Born in Roma to be a salty oceanic scent. Well, this, it reminds me more of the, ang tawag dito, Nautica Voyage. Yeah, magkalayo sila. This is a fresh out of the box scent, yung Valentino Born in Roma nila. For me, the Valentino is a salty oceanic scent. So, medyo magkaiba. Pero, I think this is wearable, especially on all weathers. Pwede mo siyang gawing everyday scent. It's fresh. It smells like, it smells like Nautica Voyage, cucumber scent. It's wearable. I like it. Pero hindi siya kaamoy ni Valentino Born in Roma. Okay, so baka may magko-comment na naman kasi dyan na bakit mo kino-compare sa OG, yung inspired, alam mo namang nire-reformulate nila yan para maging goods for everyday use. I'm just comparing it guys para lang aware kayo sa set ng OG and set ng inspired para malaman nyo yung closeness nilang dalawa. That's the comparison. Hindi ako nagko-compare na para sabihin na mas maganda si OG kaysa ka inspired. Yes, it'll always be the case. Pero yun na nga, for me, I'm just reviewing it to compare it para malaman yung similarity nila. Meron ako mga OG ako na meron mga wala, hindi gano'n kalawak yung collection ko. So, yun lang guys, sana maintindihan ninyo, and I'm so sorry kung alam niyo na sa mga reviews ko, ganito yung pagsasalita ko. It's just that lagi akong walang tulog. I'm always at work 12 hours a day. Anyways, yun lang naman. I don't wanna rant anymore. Bye!